seriously. Please subscribe if you haven't. Oh, I'm slipping on that. I got better things to say. I'm playing this game one more time. I completed it. Oh, God.
Donkey Overdrive. What does driving the future look like? It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor, scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like artificial intelligence, equipped with advanced weaponry, designed specifically to stop you. And it looks like your rad dad with his iPad, taking you out. Once again, Donkey Overdrive. Drive the future.
We got more coins. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. See ya.